What difference does it make? د دې سره څه فرق پریوزي. What difference does it make? We were bored of his behavior. د هغه د رویې نه مونږ تنګ شو. We were bored of his behavior. I have to go to فیصل آباد. ما لره فیصل آباد ته تللی دي. I have to go to فیصل آباد. All is fair in love and war. په مینه او جنگ کې هر څه جایز دي. All is fair in love and war. I often meet her. زه کله ناکله د هغې سره میلاویږم. I often meet her. She told you twice. هغې تا ته 2 پیرې ووی. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ. هغې تا ته 2 ځله ووی. She told you twice. She seldom comes here. هغه کله کله دلته راځي. She seldom comes here. When will you leave? ته به کله روانیږي. When will you leave? He got off the bus. هغه د بس نه کوز شو. He got off the bus. He has no house to live in. د هغه سره د اوسېدو دپاره کور نشته. He has no house to live in. Keep up the grass. په وښو مزه. Keep up the grass. Time once lost cannot be regained. تیر شوی وخت بیا په لاس نه راځي. Time once lost cannot be regained. Is it late? آیا ناوخته دی. Is it late? May I sit here? آیا زه دلته کېناستی شم. May I sit here? The train is out of sight now. ریلګاډی اوس په نظر نه راځي. The train is out of sight now. He went on Monday. هغه د څلورمې په ورځ لاړ. He went on Monday. He died of cholera. هغه د هیزې نه مړ شو. He died of cholera. It has been raining since morning. د سحر راسي باران وریږي. It has been raining since morning. Ali speaks loudly. Ali ډیر لوړ وایي. Ali speaks loudly. She arrived too soon. هغه ډیره زر راغله. She arrived too soon. He comes of a rich family. هغه د یو مالداره کورنۍ سره تعلق ساتي. He comes of a rich family. He reminds me of his brother. د هغه کتو سره ماته د هغه ورور رایاد شو. He reminds me of his brother. It's mine, not him. دا زما دی د هغه نه. It's mine, not him. He will reach within month. هغه به په یو میاشت کې دننه ورسي. He will reach within month. Chew your food properly. خوراک دې هم ایده کوه. Chew your food properly. Wake me up at 5 o'clock. په 5 بجې مې پاسوه. Wake me up at 5 o'clock. She is peeping through the window. هغه د کړکۍ نه سیکي. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ. هغه د کړکۍ نه تماشه کوي. She is peeping through the window. A thing is valued where it belongs. په ځنګل کې د موتی قدر نه وي. موتی یو قسم له قیمتي کاڼی دی. A thing is valued where it belongs. The thief was caught red-handed. غل په غلا ونیوی شو. The thief was caught red-handed. Don't shirk work. د کار نه ځان مه پټوه. Don't shirk work. He has enough money. هغه سره ډیره پیسه ده. He has enough money. Really, I don't believe it. رښتیا زما یقین نه راځي. Really, I don't believe it. Fie upon him. په هغه ډیر افسوس. Fie upon him. Shame on you. شرم وکا. Shame on you. Bravo, go ahead. ډیر ها مخې ته ځه. Bravo, go ahead. He said that he was busy. هغه وی چې زه مصروفه یم. He said that he was busy. He had no money. That is why I paid the bill. د هغه سره پیسې نه وي ځکه ما بیل ادا کو. He had no money. That is why I paid the bill. Work hard otherwise you will fail. محنت کوه کنه ناکامه بشي. Work hard otherwise you will fail. As I was free I went there. چونکې زه وزګاروم ځکه هلته لاړم. As I was free I went there. He is so weak that he cannot walk. هغه دومره کمزوری دی چې تلی نشي. He is so weak that he cannot walk. He walks too slow. هغه ډیر په قلاره ځي. He walks too slow. Do you know when it happened? آیا تا ته پته ده چې دا کله وشو؟ Do you know when it happened? I can't go as I am busy. زه نشم تلی ځکه چې زه مصروفه یم. I can't go as I am busy. As far as I know he is good. څومره چې ما ته پته ده هغه ښه دی. As far as I know he is good. He is on deathbed. هغه د مرګ په حالت دی. He is on deathbed. He came to my residence. هغه زما ځای ته راغی. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ هغه زما استوګنې ته راغی. He came to my residence. I have no objection to this. ما ته په دې هیڅ اعتراض نشته. I have no objection to this. I will go on Monday morning. زه به د څلورمې په ورځ سهار ځم. I will go on Monday morning. This book is easy to understand. دا کتاب په پوهېدو کې آسان دی. This book is easy to understand. He is called by different names. هغه ته مختلف نمونه ویلی کیږي. He is called by different names. I'll surely keep this in mind. زه به ضرور د دې خبرې خیال ساتم. I'll surely keep this in mind. May I say something? آیا زه څه عرض وکم؟ May I say something? Be punctual and attentive. په وخت کار کوه او توجه ورکا. Be punctual and attentive. Don't go out barefooted. خپې ابله خپې بهر مزه. Don't go out barefooted. It's clear today. نن موسم صفا دی. It's clear today. I will think over this matter. زه به په دې معامله سوچ وکم. I will think over this matter. He is eyewitness. هغه چشمدید گواه دی. He is eyewitness. He will have to account for the money. هغه له به د پیسو حساب ورکولی. He will have to account for the money. He will be pleased to meet you. هغه به تا سره په میلاوېدو خوشحاله وي. He will be pleased to meet you. Get him out of my sight. هغه زما د نظر نه فنا کا. Get him out of my sight. Don't you dare to talk to me. ما سره د خبرې کولو همت هم مکوه. Don't you dare to talk to me. It's not like that. داسې خبره نه ده. It's not like that. He is free from cares. هغه د فکر نه آزاد دی. He is free from cares. I just know him by name. زه هغه صرف د نومه پیژنم. I just know him by name. It takes two to make a quarrel. پړقا د دواړو لاسو نه هیجي. It takes two to make a quarrel. One lie leads to another. د دروغو څخه د نشته. One lie leads to another. He has put a spell on Asim. هغه په اسیم جادو کړی دی. He has put a spell on Asim. He is an apple of my eye. هغه زما د سترګو تور دی. He is an apple of my eye. I really mean it. زما واقعي دغه مطلب دی. I really mean it. I call a spade a spade. زه بالکل صفا صفا ویم. I call a spade a spade. I take my words back. زه خپل الفاظ واپس اخلم. I take my words back. Don't write anything on your book. په خپل کتاب خیس ملیکا. Don't write anything on your book. The best wealth is personality and character. اصلی دولت خو شخصیت او کردار یي. The best wealth is personality and character. Please do not make fun of me. مهرباني وکړه ما پورې ټوقې مه کوه. Please do not make fun of me. I shall be with you within an hour. زه به په 1 غنټه کې ستا خواته یم. I shall be with you within an hour. Where would I be able to get it from? دا به ما ته کوم ځای میلاو شي. Where would I be able to get it from? د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.